Alright, I'm going to show you a quick video on how to clean your lines, something that many homebrewers really dread doing, at least I do anyway, and something that I could probably do a little more often. This video is going to show a little setup that I come up with, and hopefully it helps you out. Okay, so before we start here, we gather a few things together, and what I have here, I've got a 4-tap system, and I'm going to need 3 half-inch silicone tubing lines, about 2 feet long, depending on where you're going to set things up. You might need one longer one. We're going to need a couple of MPT fittings, like this here. You can get these at the hardware store. These are going to connect on the beer lines where the connectors were. We're going to take them off. And a wrench to take the connectors off, some beer line cleaner, and then a container with a pump. You can use, a pump. If you don't have one that's set up like this, you can use a submersible pump to do this. And basically what we're going to do is connect all my lines together and run the beer line cleaner through them and back into this container here, and cycle that for roughly 10 minutes or so. So I'll be back when I get those things connected up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here's the idea. I'm back again, connected everything up. So basically what we got is we got a line coming out of the bucket with the pump. That's going into the first tap, and there's a line between 2 and 3, and then the 4 coming back into the bucket. I put the line cleaner in there. I did about 2 gallons, so I did 2 ounces of that. And to make this a continuous line, basically I use that MPT connector, those 2 MPT connectors, and I connected 1 and 2 together, and I connected 3 and 4. So that makes it one continuous line through the first tap, coming through 2 and 3 and 4 back into it again. I took some of the beer line solution out. See how dirty that is? It's good timing for cleaning my lines. And I put some in a container, and that's where I ended up putting all the parts for the connectors. So we're going to give that about 10-15 minutes. Rinse everything out with clean water and reconnect everything and pour beer. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment if you have any questions. Alright, see you later.